Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the August 5th issue of the Tucson Almost Weekly Mortgage newsletter. I'm Todd Abelson, and I thank you very much for tuning in today. All right, first of all, what's been going on? Well, last week the jobs report came out. It was much anticipated. They were expecting a blockbuster number of something in the area of 200,000, and actually it came in at 160, and while 161 actually, and while that number is still pretty darn good historically, they also downgraded. It was a miss. And realistically, they had already priced in, or as they say, baked into the cake, a very strong number. So last week was a really wild week. Under normal circumstances, a shift of 50 basis points, let's just say, in the price of a mortgage-backed security is about 1/8%. But we had swings of over 100 basis points up one day, over 100 basis points down one day. So ultimately, the week kind of sort of ended up a little bit better than it started, but not after a wild ride, kind of like strapping yourself into a 747 and getting shook all over the place. It was kind of nauseating for a lot of people, myself included. Definitely one of the tougher weeks in the mortgage market from a rate point of view. Coming into this week, there's really very light reporting coming out, so it's all going to be what's going on in the stock market. If stocks actually start selling off a little bit to do profit taking, we'll see some improvements in rates this week. Otherwise, it's going to be a pretty flat week. So this is probably a little bit of a breather. I also heard a report this morning that was actually kind of interesting. I think they said something like over $40 billion entered the stock market in the last month, a month of July, which was pretty much much stronger than expected, and that's what really surged the price of stocks up, which of course Dow is sitting at record and S&P is at record highs. So, this may be a good time to take some money off the table. Anyway, don't forget to check out the website, TucsonMortgages.com. I'm Todd Abelson here in sunny Tucson, Arizona. I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks a lot, and make it a great week. Bye-bye.